Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to pay for your TikTok shop purchases using Gcash? Here's how to add it as a payment method in just a few easy steps. First of all, open your TikTok app and tap on the Shop tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Payments at the top of the screen to manage your payment options. Now tap Add Payment Method and select Gcash from the list. Enter your Gcash registered mobile number, then tap Next to proceed. You will receive a one-time code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. Now enter your 4-digit Gcash PIN to secure your account. Check the tick box and tap Authorize to confirm your payment method. For final verification, enter the 6-digit authentication code sent to your phone. And that's it. Gcash is now linked to your TikTok shop account, making your shopping experience faster and more convenient. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.